This is where I'm at. Oh, here. Yeah, there's Cindy visiting. She's been here with me all day. But, yeah. There's a picture down the hallway. There's the nurse's station right there. Yeah, I'm having a good time. Feel a whole lot better.
Good morning. We're here at the hospital. We arrived at 4:50 and we couldn't get in the door till 5 o'clock. Anyway, Mark has been shaved from head to toe. He's got his IV. We're waiting on the doctor to come see us. And then they said it would be, they'll take me to a waiting room and they'll take him back and do some more prep on him before. So anyway, we are the first patient. That's good.
Oh, good. Thank you for everyone's prayers. Appreciate that.
Yes,
And
we do.
yes, it'll be good. I trust in the Lord.
Okie dokie.
Yes.
All right, the surgery is over. Everything went well. Mark is still trying to wake up. I've got him all tubed up, and look at all them bottles of stuff running through. But he is trying to wake up. He'll open his eyes, he'll squeeze our fingers.
Yeah, so I do that like balance.
And they're hoping to get him off of this breathing tube. It's driving him crazy.
So you can rate 75 on the board.
Thank you for your prayers. Love it. Good morning. We're on day 2 of our aortic valve replacement surgery and 1 bypass surgery. They've taken Mark out of his bed. It actually stands up and tilts you out, and they've put him in what they call the chair, or it's really a recliner. And the doctor has taken out 1 drain tube this morning. So he's still pretty groggy from pain meds.
Way this will work. Put these feet underneath you, get them square on the bottom of your heels. We're going to slide forward until we feel our heels on the floor here, okay? Don't stand up yet.
Oh,
Just until we get our feet planted, okay?
Okay.
Because it'll be a little harder.
okay.
All right. So the way this will work, feet are going to be the ones pushing. We're not going to grab at anything.
Okay.
So the way that we'll do that is we're going to rock. So we 1, we're going to go on 3. There's 2. Deep breath in and push with your legs. Exhale. Don't hold your breath. We're just standing. I need you to let me know if you see some dots or if you feel a little bit lightheaded or dizzy. We can sit down.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'll take your pillow. up in the back. Breathing okay?
Yeah,
Pain doing okay?
yeah.
Perfect. Step in here. Hand, elbows go on this. Hands grab this. Better?
Oh, much better.
All right. We're gonna go for the small lap. You get to go for the big laps, you know, if you need to. But
Okay.
since this is our first one,
All right.
you're the driver. We'll go straight through this hallway and we'll take a right at the end.
Here he comes down the hall. He's made his first lap. They woke him up long enough to walk.
Low flow. Two things. He needs to have blood flow at a fast rate when it doesn't clot. And to make sure that there's adequate pressure going through the grafts that are there. So that's kind of like doing that. This is
We're going to change the dressing on our chest today. Now, what do those little things do?
These are pacing wires.
Pacing wires, okay. In case his heart got...
After cardiac valve surgery, the tissues around the pacemaker cells, are really what they're called, they swell. And so when the tissues swell, you're more prone to get into arrhythmias in the first 24 to 48 hours. And so we have pacing wires to help us.
And those are attached to the heart.
Yeah, right on the inside. They're
Little
directly
bitty.
attached there.
Plastic or whatever.
They're sewn in.
Yeah.
They're sewn in, okay. Yeah.
He is always on the right side.
Oh, okay.
It's true. You listen, yes. You listen.
Looking at the customer.
Okay.
There's the customer looking at it on the left. And D is always on the left side.
Gotcha.
I'm in nurse
A
training.
and B.
I learned two
A
more
V.
things.
One's a V, right? An A and a V.
And a V.
A and V.
Yeah.
One's for the atrium and one's for the ventricles.
Two more things and I can become a nurse. At least that's what they do with electric. They learn two things, they go start their own business. See, there's even electric in the heart.
Mm-hmm.
So, first thing we'll do with peroxide. So it's you can stay right here.
Oh, okay.
I can just holler at me to move and I'll get out of the way.
Just squirt that in all that.
They positive and negative sign.
Mm-hmm.
Very groovy.
Just like your car battery.
No, you show right now. And then on any incision, always bring away from the incision. Like that. From there, slide it down. And then we use a different side of it. Pull these away. that one in, and then you're gonna go on one side and around the other. You're gonna go on the outside this time and around the other. Yeah. Cool. And you can be done with that piece. The split ones, a lot easier to put around tubes. Do that, and then move them like that. Underneath that other bandage.
So facing this way?
You can do it left and right.
Okay.
And then whenever you take a dressing off, if you leave it like that, it'll stick to the tubes, so it won't come off very easy, because that's pretty sticky. Put that in the top, because then your tape comes off in one solid layer. And on top of the facing wires. Those on top of the facing wires.
To go across.
Mm-hmm. Three more, I bet. That should be good. And that one right there off the tape. There's top, yeah, there's a for any of the wires, the for any of the tubes. Because otherwise, you don't really need to run it. It'll come out like that.
This is for the next guy.
All the buckets over there.
You want cup to measure with?
Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
That's the tricky part right there, holding the cup in it.
Holding the cup while you put the lid back on. Alrighty.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Just one more day here. Could possibly be released tomorrow. But we're just sitting here waiting on the discharge notice. As the sign says, for the plan of the day is to go home. So that's our next yeah, go home. That's our next play here. Our next step. So we'll catch you on the next video. Yeah. Hopefully next time we'll see you at the house or on the farm. I'm ready.
Now today you sound hoarse.
I do? That's because I got that cough. I've been coughing.
Mm-hmm.
You know, been coughing. I'm ready.